guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making bell pepper sauce with spaghetti, onion and Roman tomatoes. Prepare the raw for my cooked chicken. So go in with the garlic, go in with some ginger, go in with 1 onion, go in with seasoning, a little bit of salt, some pepper. So I have some already cooked chicken drumsticks here. So what I'm going to do, transfer it into the chicken raw. Leave this in here and let it drain. Same thing with the bell peppers. So I'm going to let these bell peppers and the tomatoes drain, okay? Allow the oil to heat up. Now I'm going to go in with the tomatoes. Cover. Right now, I'm going to go in with some crayfish powder. Some water. Add some bell pepper juice. everything. bowl. And there you have it, guys. A super simple yet absolutely delicious sauce. Perfect for spaghetti, macaroni, white rice, or even yams. Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Try it out and thank me later. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss more tasty recipe from the Food Ninja. Thank you so much, guys, as always, for sticking with me to the end. Do have yourself a very beautiful day. Bye-bye.